In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to your Wix website, whether you're setting up your business email for the first time or looking to integrate it seamlessly with your website. This step-by-step guide will help you get started. Having a professional email address that matches your domain not only enhances your credibility, but also makes communication with your audience much more effective. By the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. Let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the Wix website. Open your browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But for today, we're assuming you already have access. Logging in will take you to your Wix dashboard, where you can manage all the key elements of your website. Next, locate your profile icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This is where you can manage all the core settings for your Wix account, including your email configurations. Once you're in the Account Settings page, look for the section called Business Email. It may take a moment to locate, but it's usually easy to spot. When you find it, click on Business Email to start setting up your email settings. This will take you to the next step, where you'll begin the process of linking your email to your website. Now, you'll need to ensure that your domain is properly connected to the email service. To do this, click on Connect a Domain. This step is crucial because your email address will typically use your website's domain name, giving it that professional and branded appearance, for example. Instead of using a generic email like Gmail or Yahoo, you'll have something like info@yourdomain.com, which looks much more polished and trustworthy. Wix will guide you through the process of linking your domain with a series of on-screen prompts. Simply follow these instructions carefully to ensure that your email is correctly linked to your domain. If you've purchased your domain through Wix, the process is fairly straightforward. However, if your domain is hosted through a different provider, there might be a few extra steps involved. Don't worry, Wix provides clear guidance for both scenarios. Once your domain is connected, the next step is to enter any additional settings or configurations required by your third-party email provider. If this applies to you, for instance, if you're using an external service like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 for your email, you may need to input specific details like server information or MX records. Your email provider should supply you with this information, so have it handy just in case. Finally, it's time to test your email setup to make sure everything is working as it should. Send a test email to yourself or a trusted colleague to verify that your email is sending and receiving messages without any issues. This step is important to ensure that your setup is complete and functioning properly. If you encounter any problems, double-check your settings or consult Wix's support resources for additional help. And that's it. You've successfully connected your email to your Wix website. By following these steps, you've taken an important step toward creating a professional online presence for your business or personal brand. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.